Hello, welcome to my channel where I discuss easy zucchini recipes that are easy and time-saving. If you're looking for healthy and tasty zucchini recipes for you and your friends, you'll find them here. Zucchini is a versatile ingredient that can be used in a variety of recipes. Its flavor isn't overpowering, making it a tasty addition to baked goods or a filling substitute for pasta. Summer squash is also delicious on its own, sautéed, grilled, or roasted. Furthermore, it goes well with any protein. It's not only easy to prepare, but beneficial to your health. It's no surprise that you should include this high-fiber food in your diet this summer. Before we start, I wanted to tell you about a few health benefits of zucchinis. First of all, cell degeneration produced by free radicals, inflammation, and stress causes aging. Antioxidants and anti-inflammatory diets can prevent cell degeneration and reduce the aging process. Zucchini is high in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory phytonutrients, which can help combat the effects of aging. Secondly, regular intake of zucchinis can reduce painful symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. Thirdly, zucchini contains fiber and helps prevent the risk of colon cancer. If you have any recipes you want me to cover on this channel, let me know in the comments below. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a quick and delicious zucchini soup. Let's get right into it. Let's talk about zucchini soup. Don't worry if you're not used to making soup. Most zucchini soup recipes are simple to prepare and follow. They are fast to prepare, making them ideal for a quick dinner. Recipes will vary depending on the number of ingredients used. These are stir-fried for a few minutes until well cooked, no more than 10 minutes. Some people add potatoes, but this is entirely up to the cook. This creamy zucchini soup is light, fresh, and so good. I could eat it every day. It's a great soup for summer when zucchini is plentiful and cheap. The ingredients are simple. It's made with zucchini, onion, garlic, and herbs. It comes together in less than an hour, and it's easy as good as it tastes. To make a creamy zucchini soup, you don't need a lot of creams or even a roux. The zucchini flesh's natural texture whizzes up beautifully into a silky, creamy texture. The extra flavor that comes from fried onions until golden is well worth the additional few minutes. A pinch of Parmesan cheese on top of the soup is a nice finishing touch. Alternatively, try croutons, finely sliced basil, or any herb. The key to a delicious cream of zucchini soup is thick and not watery texture, and a buttery, mild flavor. The soup achieves both with a thick, creamy texture and mild flavor, which is why it's such a kid favorite. It's an excellent starter, but we also eat it with zucchini muffins or a sourdough baguette and call it dinner. The cream adds a touch of richness to the soup that is otherwise very healthy. If you prefer, you can use low-fat cream, creme fraise, or mascarpone, or even a nice chunk of butter. How you can serve zucchini soup? Well, my favorite way to serve this soup is with fresh grated Parmesan cheese and chopped parsley. The salty, nutty Parmesan complements the cream of zucchini soup well. Croutons or crumbled saltine crackers can be used to give crunch and texture. For dipping, serve it with simple crusty bread or homemade garlic bread. How long it takes to prepare? Prep time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 20 minutes. Total time, 25 minutes. You will need the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil or butter, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 1 large onion, chopped. You can use brown, yellow, or white onion. 1 kilogram or 2 pounds zucchinis, you can cut them into 3 to 5 slices, and for larger ones, you can cut them in half. 3 cups or 750 milliliter vegetable or chicken broth, preferably with reduced salt. 1 cup or 250 milliliter water. 185 milliliter cream, heavy or thickened, or add a good knob of butter instead. 1 cup or 250 milliliter milk, any fat percent, or add more cream. For the garnish, cream for swirling, finally shredded Parmesan. Instructions. Step 1. Heat oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add garlic and onions and cook for 3 to 4 minutes until they are light golden brown. Step 2. Add zucchinis, broth, and water. Bring to a boil, then cover and reduce heat to medium. Optional, scoop brown foam off the surface now and then. Step 3. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes or until the zucchini is very soft. Step 4. Use a stick blender to whisk until smooth. Step 5. Stir through cream and milk. Add salt and pepper to taste. Step 6. Ladle into bowls. Swirl over a touch of cream if desired, a pinch of shredded parmesan, and more pepper. Serve hot or at room temperature. Here are my best tips for you can try out for this recipe. You can add fresh herbs, yellow squash, or anything else you want. Serve with crusty bread to make a meal out of it, or serve as a starter to any meal. This recipe can be made vegetarian by using vegetable broth. It's delicious. This soup is a real winner, packed with zucchini and potatoes and topped with creamy and tangy feta cheese. If you don't have an immersion blender, use a blender to process the soup. Fill it halfway with hot liquid and process in tiny batches. Remove the blender lid's center component, feeding cap, cover with a clean, flooded kitchen towel and replace the lid without the feeding cap. While combining, keep the towel in place. Begin at a slow speed and gradually raise if necessary. Freeze the zucchini soup in an airtight jar for 3 to 4 days. Let the soup cool just before freezing so that it's not piping hot. Store it in an airtight container. Remember to leave an inch or 2 of space to allow for expansion during freezing. Freeze the zucchini soup for up to 3 months. Warm the soup gently in a saucepan over medium-low to low heat, stirring frequently. Getting the soup to get to a full boil may cause the cream to separate. There you have it! Easy peasy creamy zucchini soup. Nothing helps me out more than you watching the entire video, so thank you for being here. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of this recipe and if you want me to cover other zucchini recipes. I'll see you in the next video. Here's to your healthy meal. Bon appétit!